Hey, what's up guys, it's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Carrollwood, Florida. We're gonna be doing a dirty driveway, real dirty driveway. I just wanna show you guys how bad this thing is and what I'm gonna be using to get it done. Normally you guys know I just do a downstream mix. You just pre-treat concrete, surface clean it, and then come back and post-treat it. This one's so bad, I'm gonna have to bump my mix up to a higher percentage. I'll probably do like a 3 to 4% mix for the pre-treat, surface clean, and post-treat with a 5 to 6%. So let's go check the job out. So this is the driveway here. I mean, it's very bad. Some of the sections are brand new. We're not gonna surface clean those because they can't hold pressure. I don't want to etch it. I'm starting my 12 volt now. It's almost ready to go. You guys can see how bad the sidewalks are on both sides. And this driveway here, man, when I pulled up, I thought it was asphalt. This thing is super bad. Walkway up here, not as bad, but yeah, so we're gonna pre-treat this concrete. Pretty sweet little project. I can't wait to see the aftermath, see how it's gonna look. If you guys see my last video, you guys know I used the Wojet 20-inch surface cleaner, which will be part of the giveaway for 15K. I'll link the video up top so you guys can check it out. But I'm gonna be using my normal Whisper Wash 19-inch surface cleaner today. So you guys just follow along. I'm gonna grab my soft wash system and put on the pre-treatment. Alright guys, so we pre-treated the driveway. Man, it's a big difference when you pre-treat with a downstream mix versus you know, 3-4% mix. As you guys can see, the algae is already turning colors before I surface clean it. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. Yes, you have to be careful when you're spraying hot, you know, hotter than downstream. With the grass, so you gotta make sure you water down the grass. And any plants, if you got plants nearby, just, you know, just be mindful. Over here, obviously you guys see I just got a bunch of leaves, so I'm not spraying it all over the grass, so it's not gonna kill the edge of the grass. So I'm gonna let this sit for a few more minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and surface clean this thing up. Now we got the driveway clean. Some of these marks, they're not from me, they're just old concrete. So they're gonna be here regardless, but the black that was on here is gone. It's gonna give it that good rinse. Like my man Don would say, the satisfying rinse. waiting on my injector right now. Before I go, I'm just gonna go ahead and post treat this concrete. It looks good already, but I got it in my liner already, so I gotta rinse it out. So instead of wasting it, I'm just gonna put it on the concrete just to post treat it. In the post treat, you don't have to rinse off. You can just leave it in there, take all the tanning or any lines you may have. So let's go check it out. So this is what it's looking like now. I mean, this thing was super bad, but you can see how it looks. But once I put the post trimming on there, it's gonna look better. Obviously right now it's wet, so he's not gonna be able to see the whole product, but I can see some lines in the good concrete, which, you know, we can't leave that like that. So we're gonna post treat those so I can get rid of them. Same thing with this sidewalk here, that was really bad. As you can see some lines. I went over it twice, still got lines, that's fine, just post treat and they'll go away. So I'm gonna use the same mix. Actually, I'm gonna bump it up a little bit to about a 5%. Spray it on there, let it dry, and then we're gonna come back by the time we're done wrapping everything up to do a recap. Now we can do our final recap to show you guys the aftermath and see how everything looks. So check it out. This is the driveway here. Like I said, those marks is just part of the driveway. We were here to get that black stuff off, which is the algae. All these marks, they're just the old driveway. Obviously you guys see me surface clean. You didn't see me go all crazy like that with my surface cleaner or my ball valve. Can't cause that. So, but obviously you guys can see a big difference. Looks like this part of the concrete, all the lines are gone. Show you guys over here, post treated, no more lines. Same thing down here. We're gonna have to rinse it, just let it dry on the concrete. And over here, the lines that were there starting to go away. Yes, sir. Rig is looking good. Rainy day, a little light rain right now. I'm flushing out my 12 volt, make sure it lasts longer. Been doing me well for the last few months, so I'm gonna keep it going. Final product. But all right, guys, that's it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the giveaway. I'm gonna be adding more stuff onto it. So far, we got the surface cleaner. I think I'm gonna do a pair of boots and something else. So y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification so you know when I put up a new video. Hit the bell. So y'all stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.